6 months ago, my credit score was so bad I couldn't get approved for a Target card. Today, it's 200 points higher and I didn't win the lottery or get a huge raise. So here's exactly what I did. Step 1. The one app that changed everything. Okay, this isn't some random credit repair company that you have to pay hundreds of dollars to use like those credit repair companies. It's actually Credit Karma. You guys know them. They're the ones with the infamous 5-second rule where if your credit score is 5 points away from being higher, they'll let you know. Now, it wasn't until recently that they launched their new Credit Monitor feature. This allows you to track your progress over time and see exactly what's moving the needle, which is the one thing that every other credit monitoring service fails to do. That's why it took me forever to improve my score. But once I started tracking my progress, it was like unlocking a superpower because suddenly I knew exactly what to focus on. For example, if your score drops, you can quickly see if it's because of a late payment, high utilization, or even a hard inquiry from when you apply for a loan. It also has customized recommendations based on your unique situation. Like for me, it recommended that I focus on paying down my credit card usage since that was the main factor holding me back. Knowing exactly what actions will move the needle versus what won't make a difference is the reason why Credit Karma has become my go-to app for all things credit-related. And the best part? It's completely free. There's no reason not to at least try it out. Let them help you understand your credit. It's literally risk-free. Step 2. Should you tackle debt using the avalanche or snowball method? First off, congrats on taking control of your finances and deciding to tackle your debt. It's a big deal. Now, when it comes to choosing between the avalanche and snowball methods, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It really depends on your personality and what will keep you motivated throughout the journey. If you're all about that instant gratification and celebrating small wins along the way, then the snowball method might be your jam. By focusing on paying off the smallest balance first, you'll start seeing quick wins that will keep you motivated and on track. On the other hand, if you're more of a strategist and you want to make the most of your money, then the avalanche method is worth considering. By tackling the highest interest rate debt first, you'll save more money on interest and pay off your debt faster. Think of it this way. If you're paying off your credit cards from lowest to highest balance, you'll feel like you're making progress because you're crossing off debts left and right. But with the avalanche method, you're going after the highest interest rate debt first, saving yourself more money in the long run. Plus, once you pay off that high interest debt, you'll have more money to throw at the remaining balances, speeding up your payoff even more. Ultimately, the best method is the one that you'll stick with. So choose wisely and good luck on your debt payoff journey. Oh, and by the way, I used the debt snowball method and crushed my debt in less than 2 years. Step 3, the secret weapon that helped me boost my credit score. 25 points in just 2 months. So during my quest to improve my credit score, I stumbled upon an unexpected secret weapon that helped me boost my score by 25 points in just 2 months, the Credit Builder account. Now you might be thinking, wait, doesn't everyone know about Credit Builder accounts? Well, not everyone. And even if you do, you probably don't know how to use it to its full potential to boost your credit score. Basically, a Credit Builder account is like a starter home for your credit history. When traditional lenders look at your credit history and see that you're a total newbie, they have no idea who you are. Are you responsible? Do you pay your bills on time? Or are you a complete wild card? That's where secured credit cards come in handy. They allow you to borrow a small amount of money, typically around $300, which is then held as collateral, hence the term secured. And as you use the card and make on-time payments, you build a positive credit history. After about 6 months of consistent usage, the lender reports your activity to the credit bureaus, helping you establish and improve your credit score. Now here's where things get interesting. Many credit unions offer Credit Builder accounts with incredibly low barriers to entry. Some don't even require you to have any previous credit history at all. With just a few bucks in a bank account, you can get started. The beauty of these accounts is that they report to all 3 major credit bureaus: TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. But hold on, there's more. According to Credit Karma, you can expect to see a credit score increase of anywhere from 30 to 100 points within just 2 months of opening a Credit Builder account and making timely payments. In my own experience, I saw my score jump by 25 points in just 2 months. It's like magic, except it's not. It's smart financial planning. So if you're looking to boost your credit score, I highly recommend checking out a Credit Builder account. It's a game changer when it comes to establishing and improving your credit history. And if you want to take your credit repair journey to the next level without having to spend hours researching online, it's packed with tips, tricks, and expert advice to help you repair your credit fast. Plus, it comes with a ton of resources like check sheets, spreadsheets, and sample letters that you can use to speed up your credit repair process. Step 4. My 3 golden rules to keep it climbing. Now that you've got your game plan in place, it's time to put on your game face and start climbing that credit ladder. Here are my top 3 golden rules to keep you motivated and moving forward. Number 1, don't miss a single payment. Late payments are like kryptonite to your credit score. Just one late payment can drop your score by 100 points or more. That's why it's crucial to set reminders or automate your payments so you never miss a due date. Your payment history accounts for 35% of your credit score, so it's essential to keep it squeaky clean. Number 2, keep your credit utilization low. High credit utilization means you're using a large portion of your available credit, which can signal to lenders that you're a risky borrower. Aim to keep your utilization below 30% and even lower, like below 9% for an extra boost. You can do this by paying your balance down before the billing cycle ends or by increasing your credit limit. Number 3, be patient and persistent. Improving your credit score takes time and effort. Don't expect overnight miracles, but also don't give up when you hit a snag. Stay focused on your goals and keep making those on-time payments. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but your credit score can be. Now, if you want to supercharge your credit repair journey, you need to grab my free credit repair tracker. It's the ultimate tool for anyone looking to improve their credit score fast. This tracker allows you to monitor your progress over time and celebrate your achievements along the way. And if you're serious about hitting 750 plus, you won't want to miss my full step-by-step credit playbook coming next week. It's jam-packed with insider tips and tricks that I wish I had when I started my credit repair journey. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and happy credit boosting.